Hi. How are you, friends? We pray and hope that your health is well. Let us tell you about detoxing. Detoxing your body can have many benefits, including improved digestion, clearer skin, and increased energy levels. Here is a recipe and ingredients for a delicious and effective detox smoothie to help cleanse your body. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 cup of kale, 1 cup of spinach, 1 tablespoon of ginger. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of coconut water, 2 tablespoons of fresh mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of honey, optional. Now do we see how to make best detoxing juice for our body. 1. Wash the kale and spinach leaves properly, so that all the dirt will be removed by fresh water. 2. Add the kale, spinach, and banana to a blender with some water till all the leaves of the kale, spinach will dissolve in the blender with the banana. 3. Peel and chop the ginger and add it to the blender, blend it thoroughly with banana, kale, and spinach juice. 4. Add the chia seeds, coconut water, and mint leaves to the blender. Make sure all the ingredients are homogeneous in the blender. 5. If you prefer your smoothie sweeter, add a tablespoon of honey at this point. Honey is natural immune booster. I suggest you to add honey in your smoothie so that it has booster effect in body. 6. Blend all the ingredients until smooth. Once blended, pour the mixture into a tall glass. Drink and enjoy. Make sure you always make fresh smoothie and always try to drink it early morning before breakfast. This smoothie is refreshing, healthy, and a great way to detox your body. It's an excellent and easy to make recipe that will help you feel better both physically and mentally. Try making it every week and see how much better you feel. We are waiting for you. Please do tell us in comments how you feel after this fantastic smoothie. For more health-related videos, please do like and subscribe our channel and Facebook page Allure. Facebook page link is in description.